Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Flawless Widescreen missing DLL error. So it's this one just here on the left. And basically it's a missing DLL file associated with Microsoft Visual C++. So there's quite a few different DLL errors you might get. So it might be MSVCR70, MSVCR100, etc. There's probably about 10 or so of them you might get. This guide will show you how to fix any and all of the missing DLL errors in Flawless Widescreen. So in order to fix this, all you need to do is download a couple of the right files. So you're going to need to grab the Visual C++ 2008 Service Pack, 2010, and just for good luck, it's also required, you need to grab 2015. So these are the three primary ones that will generally cause this error. However, if you still get it with a different one, you might as well just go through and install the rest of the C++ packages. Once you have done that, you will need to restart your computer and then you can open Flawless Widescreen without any issues. If you don't restart your computer before doing this, you're still going to get the same error message. For whatever reason, sometimes some people end up having some issues even though they do install this. So you might need to install the 64-bit and the 32-bit version as well. So if you do have a problem after doing everything and it didn't work after a restart, just go ahead and grab the 32-bit version as well and see what happens. Again, restart your computer and it should fix the problem. Anyway, that wraps up another guide. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.